Dear students, I welcome you in today's English class, and today we are going to start subject verb agreement, meaning the rules of verb, how, when you have to use the rules of verb we are going to do in this video. So the first basic rule of using verb is singular subjects must have singular verbs. Plural subjects take plural verbs. As dear children, you all are aware about it that singular subject, if the subject is singular, so you will use singular verb for singular subject. If the subject is plural, so the verb will also be used accordingly. Rule number 1. And all these rules are very important to understand a better knowledge of English language. Rule number 1. The pronoun you always takes a plural verb. If you are using you, then always with pronoun you always plural verb will be used. See the examples. You were invited to come. You are asked to clean the room. See, with you are, singular verb is not used, but the plural one. You sing so well. All are plural verb. Rule number 2. If a sentence begins with here or there, the verb agrees with the subject which follows it. See the example. First, you should understand what does it mean. See, if a sentence begins with here and there, and the verb you will use with the subject which is written after here or there. Just see the example. Here are the ways. The ways is plural verb, the word, that is why are has come. Here are the ways on how to preserve meat. So ways plural, that is why after here are verb is used. There is a huge gap. A huge gap is singular, that is why after there is used. There is a huge gap between the rich and the poor. Rule number 3 is if two subjects, one single and one plural, are connected by either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the nearer subject. This rule is very important. Most of the children commit mistake in it. See, if neither nor, either or are used, so nearest subject you will use the verb. See the example. Neither the players nor the coach is joining. So players, this is the nearest subject, so it is plural. Players used first. Coach is the nearer subject, that is why according to coach is the singular subject, that is why is coming up, is joining. Either the conductor or the singers are attending the concert. Singers, here are the nearest one, that is why are attending the concert. According to that use, we will use the verb. Rule number 4 is a singular subject followed by intervening words or phrases such as with, as well as, in addition to, accompanied by, together with, and no less than, takes a singular verb. See the examples. Jack, accompanied by his sisters, is enrolling in PCC. Daddy, as well as my brothers, is enjoying the party. So these are the examples of the given rule. Rule number 5 is singular subjects joined by and require a plural verb. except when they mean one thing. See the example? Larry and Mercy are reading novels. Two girls. My teacher and friend is here. So these are, dear children, these rules are very important to understand better knowledge of your grammar. Thank you everyone.